Today we are chatting on our 719 boot, and what a launch this has been. We have got some boots on feet already, and I've loved seeing all the feedback, pictures and comments of you guys enjoying them. For those that are not aware, this is a collaboration between Jim Green and Murawski, which over the last 5 years we have formed a friendship and eventually have finally put a boot together, which took us over a year. Now I'm not going to get into all the details around the 719 boot. We already launched a video way back in December where we went through the boot and its construction, along with my review of my pair that I've been wearing for a good couple of months. So if you want to go and check that out, we'll put links in this video, and you can head to Murawski's channel where he does his own take on the boot that we have here in front of us. Then just a recap on the offerings the 719 comes in. We have our rust veg tan leather and then our Bronco brown. And believe it or not, these two boots in front of me are actually rust veg retan, a brand new pair, and this is the pair that's had over a year of use. And how's that patina that has come through on this pair? So today we have something special and a little bit different for you, and you're going to be hearing from one of our employees in the factory. Now I gave you my 2 cents on my pair that I put as much wear as I could, but obviously I'm in and out of various types of Jim Greens. Whereas way back in November 2023, when we started putting the style together, we handed out a few pairs, and while walking through our clicking department, there's a really great chap by the name of Lala. I looked down and he was still wearing his pair, and I asked him, how often have you been wearing this? And he says since the day we gave them to him, he has not taken them off. Now I'm not going to get into too much detail around his experience with this pair, but this guy has really put thousands of miles into it and only given one polish with the Jim Green leather balm over the last year. So what we're going to do is swap over to Lala. You can hear about his experience in the shoe industry, working here at Jim Green, and most importantly how he found his pair of 719 boots and how he got to this great patina. Once we've heard from Lala, what we're going to do is get these boots into the factory for a resole. As you can see, they're in desperate need of some love and care. We're then going to fix them up and give them another good year of use. Now we won't bore you with a 20 minutes complete how these boots are resoled. We'll just put bits and pieces and speed the process up for you. So if you want to see how that is done, stay tuned till the end of this video.
Hi, my name is Lala. That's what I'm known in Jim Green as. I'm a clicker. I operate a machine that cuts the leather for the boots. I've been working in the leather industry for 15 years. My previous company I worked for was 12 years. I've been retrenched from there. And then I was employed by Jim Green. Currently I'm working at Jim Green for the last 3 years. It's a CM719. I've been wearing it for the last 1 year, 5 months. I walk 10 kilometers a day. I use the boots daily. I've been using it for the last 1 year, 5 months. Plus I use it during my working hours, which is 8 hours a day. From the time I got the boots, I started brushing it. And after a while, I started polishing the boots to keep it in the condition that it is. The most important thing about the boots is the comfort. I enjoy wearing it for the 1 year, 5 months that I've been wearing these boots. It's one of the comfortable Jim Green boots I ever been wearing. And I'm very proud to be working in this company and to be part of manufacturing a Jim Green boots.